Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. On today's video, I will be discussing a major opportunity here for the Bitcoin market because we're forming a beautiful pattern, what you can already see in front of your screen. As well, we'll be going over Ethereum and I will be talking in general about how the leverage is currently looking in the market because that is getting myself pretty bullish, I would say. So make sure to watch this video till the end to learn a ton about how you can trade Bitcoin as well because, yeah, we have been having the experience and we are going to share it with you guys out there on the channel. So with that being said, guys, let's jump in towards the content. So what we can see is that Bitcoin currently is forming a beautiful bull flag scenario after this initial parabolic movement towards the upside, right? So what we want to be seeing here in order for Bitcoin to be see a continuation towards the upside is this top side of the bull flag getting broken. If we do break the top side of resistance, we're probably going to be look for a very exponential surge towards higher targets. If you're right now wondering, but Rover, what is the target we're going to be looking at? We're going to look at the beginning, at the start of the initial parabolic movement up here towards the low point of the bull flag. And if we're going to be measuring that target, we're going to be looking for targets somewhere around the 43.5k. That is actually a pretty bullish target for Bitcoin if you would ask me right now. Right away going in towards it, is it likely that we're going to reach it? I personally think yes, and of course I will be giving some more arguments about why I think it is likely to move up from here on in a moment from now on, so please make sure to stick till the end of the video, it's very important. But this is a typical, bullish bias reversal pattern towards, not reversal pattern, bullish bias continuation pattern, I should say, towards the upside. So it is actually looking very strong for Bitcoin right here. And I personally do expect that continuation is going to be happening in today's, crypto day, basically. So if we're looking at the 4-hourly time frame, it is also looking pretty strong over here to get a very strong bounce on this market. Of course, we're always looking at multiple confluences. And what we currently can see is that the 4-hour downtrend, like you can see, previous resistance over here, is right now flipping into support. So this is actually looking like a very good retest that we're currently getting on the market, and it is extremely likely to expect to see a bounce from off this level. And what we can see in terms of the RSI, we're looking pretty healthy, no bearish divergence, no bullish divergence, we're looking healthy. And since we're right now seeing this beautiful retest coming in towards the market, this is definitely a range where we could be looking to start to get a little bit more bullish from off, of course. Since this level already showed us the significance in the past, it is likely to see a bounce from here on. If we're going to then look at the weekly time frame, and afterwards I'm going to go in towards a very important part about why I do really think that 1 hour time frame is right now going to be moving up, of course. But the weekly time frame looks to be bouncing from this range here. Actually, if we're going to zoom out and really going to talk about where do we expect Bitcoin is going to be forming its bottom, I think we're right now here. We are right now here. The 36k range here is basically also, in terms of the whole bull market where we've been trading in, the volume support range. Like you can see on the right side, I mean, basically above my head here, you can see where the volume is getting found, where the most amount of volume is getting traded at. And currently that is between the 36 and 40,000 US dollars, meaning that this is a volume support range, meaning also that it is extremely likely that Bitcoin is going to be finding a bottom over here because there's a lot of liquidity left over here in the market. So please do know, I wouldn't be surprised if we are indeed going to see a significant market movement towards the upside getting created from here on. Since a lot of, of course, weekends already got distributed in the market, it is probably only going to be more likely to see a more sustainable, longer period of a bull market trend, of course. So is it bad for accumulating Bitcoin on this level? Because you could have been accumulating on it on the 36,000 US dollars. I would right away say no. I think still this is a pretty good and decent zone for accumulating your Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So let me right now talk about why I do think Bitcoin is going to be breaking this bull flag towards the upside day, because that is the most important part, what we should be basically talking about. Why is this bull flag going to be breaking up here? Because I will be right away explaining to you guys out there the leverage. Because if you don't know yet here, the market are nowadays getting moved by leverage, and if you can see, if you can predict very goodly where the majority of the traders are trading towards, you do know, and you can make, like, it's a more likely, you make a likelier scenario where the market is really heading towards. So my likely scenario right now is that the market is going to come up. Why? Is because, first of all, Binance, Bybit, and FTX are trading in negative funding rates, even on the US dollar perpetual, and also on the token margin, so on the inverse perpetuals. What this means, it basically means that there is more short money in the market than long money currently, and because there are more shorters in the market, there is a more significant chance to get a short squeeze. Also, it means that if you're in a long position, you're going to get paid in your position, and if you're in a shorting position, you have to pay because there's so many people in the short position. So too many people are anticipating a breakdown. That is a reason why I personally expect we're going to get another short squeeze, and we're going to squeeze the market back towards the upside, and probably we could be trading around 43,000 US dollars later today here. So too much short money in the market, even though we moved up already significantly, meaning that the chance on a short squeeze is extremely big on the market. And that is definitely a major opportunity that you could be taking advantage from right now here. Because if you're going to sign up your account right now on Bybit, you could also take trades on the market. And actually, looking for a long position on the bull flag breakout is going to be pretty strong if you would ask me. Because I'm also going to open an extra trade on this breakout of this bull flag scenario, basically. So what I will be saying here is that I currently have my trade open. Of course, the trade I shared in the Telegram group, guys. I currently have my trade open still. Stop loss on 39.3k here. If I'm going to get stopped out, it will be unfortunate. But I personally am right now taking the risk to take this continuation towards the upside, because I think it is likely to see another market movement towards the upside getting generated from up this point. And the risk is most certainly very low right now to have this long position open, since the funding rates are negative and the majority of the traders are basically trading short here. So it is actually a pretty good time to be in long positions right here. Like you do know, I'm only in a 5x leverage long position. Not that big of a leverage position, but anyways, pretty good to be checking out. So if you're interested in the trades that we're going to take maybe today, because maybe today I will be sharing you guys another trading setup, make sure to join my Telegram group in the link description and set up your Bybit account right now already, so you will not be too late for anticipating such kind of a trade, because you already should have set up your account, deposit your money on it, because otherwise you're going to be missing out the opportunity, because we react pretty quickly always towards these market movements. And then talking about Ethereum, Ethereum is looking pretty strong here. You can see critical downward sloping trend line getting formed on the market. And yesterday we were basically already tweeting about it, right? So yesterday we saw that we were approaching resistance, not broke through it yet here, but actually this is looking like a very beautiful zone on for accumulating a long position on Ethereum from right here. So that 2,773 US dollars is not too bad of a position to look at long positions for Ethereum. I think Ethereum is a very beautiful asset to take long positions on right now here, because Ethereum is an asset that is currently breaking bullish on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart here. We do know Ethereum compared to Bitcoin extremely undervalued, just broke a downtrend, and this downtrend could be leading towards a massive continuation towards the upside. And this downtrend breakthrough on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart is probably going to result in a lot of gains to still come for Ethereum. So looking pretty strong for Ethereum, and personally I am expecting a major market surge towards the upside as well. I am also going to look for a swing trade on Ethereum in the coming hours, coming days, so please make sure to keep your eyes on the Telegram group. If I open a new trade, I will let you know over there. So guys, it was a pretty short update video here, but please do know, accumulating altcoins right now, I've been doing it very significantly because we have been seeing this breakthrough of the daily downtrend on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, and usually that indicates that altcoins are going to be a little bit stronger. So accumulating altcoins right now, pretty smart choice if you would ask me here. I am also doing it, so let me know what you are right now doing here in terms of accumulating or distributing. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me, of course, as well on Instagram, because I'm going to do some crazy stuff today. Make sure to check it out. And thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out.